I'm Sarah with WTI.
I know there are other girlies out there that use straws every day like I do. I just can't stand it when the ice touches my teeth. Just leave me alone about it. Well, I have found the best silicone straw set from Sunseeke. This set comes with 12 straws, 4 carrying cases, and 2 cleaning brushes. I love the straws because they are durable, bendable, and have beautiful, vibrant colors. My favorite thing about this set is the carrying cases. I love that there's 4 of them. Your straws can just pop in and out of them and they're ready to use. I love the fact that I've kept these straws in their pouches for up to a few weeks and they still bounce back to shape with no problem. I can just fold them up, stick them in their carrying cases, and drop them in my purse. They are the perfect size to fit in my bag, and I can use them over and over again. My daughter and I love them. We love to take them to restaurants and pull out our own straws for our drinks. It's just fantastic. The durability of this straw set is definitely noteworthy. I have used them, washed them, and had them clinging around in my messy bag, and I haven't had a single one of them get a hole or need replaced or anything like that. They fit neatly in my utensil drawer, and I am so happy to have them. So if you're looking for a beautiful, portable, and durable straw set, then you have found them in this set.
And that's my point of view.